You've chosen the GROHE Bau Cosmopolitan Touchless electronic faucet, the common sense solution for a safer, more hygienic bathroom experience. Now let us help you install it. This faucet installs easily in just 3 key steps. Step 1. Installing the faucet. Step 2. Installing the drain. And Step 3. Installing the battery. We will even provide you some helpful tips on cleaning. Before we get started, let's check a few things. First, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, an adjustable crescent wrench, and eye protection. Next, open the box and compare it to the instruction list to see if you have everything you need. You should have faucet, deck plate, washer, lock nut, mounting hardware, pop-up drain, connector hoses, battery pack, and mount. Before installation, turn off the water, remove the old faucet, and clean the surfaces thoroughly. Check the position of the faucet. The distance for the mount on a battery-powered faucet is as shown. Step 1. Installing the faucet. Your faucet comes with a deck plate. You can choose if you want to install the faucet with or without. If you choose to install with a deck plate, begin by applying sealant to the underside of the putty plate. Place the deck plate and the putty plate onto the sink. Slide the washer onto the shank and insert the faucet through the sink opening. Slip the mounting hardware onto the shank with the hoses placed accordingly. Tighten the lock nut. Install the adapters to the side valves. When attaching the inlet hoses, avoid stretching and sharp bends. Connect the hoses to the adapter. Hot water on the left, cold water on the right. Open the hot and cold water supply and check that all connections are watertight. Let's move to Step 2, installing the pop-up drain. On the drain, remove the mounting set on the pop-up waste. Insert the pop-up waste into the drain and into the mounting set and pipe underneath the sink. Now, on to Step 3, installing the battery. Install the battery mount onto the wall under the sink. Insert the battery and close the cover. Note the right position of the cover as shown. Connect the battery box with the cable connector from the faucet. Align the groove in the cable with the rib in the battery box. Mount the battery housing to the wall holder. That's it! Wasn't that easy? You are now ready to use your new Bau Cosmopolitan faucet. Place your hand near the sensor field to operate and begin experiencing the pure enjoyment of water. Cleaning mode. To turn the faucet off temporarily for cleaning, hold your finger against the sensor system until the light indicator starts flashing. Cleaning mode is active for 3 minutes. To turn it back on before the 3 minutes, place your finger against the sensor system until the light indicator stops flashing and the light is continuous. Congratulations on installing your GROHE Bau Cosmopolitan Touchless electronic faucet. To register your faucet or find information on other products, please visit our website